Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing fasting and what really happens when we fast. Fasting is a practice that involves voluntarily abstaining from food and drink for a certain period of time. It is becoming increasingly popular as a way to lose weight, improve health, and increase longevity. But what actually happens to our bodies when we fast? Let's explore the science behind it. The first stage of fasting occurs after we've gone without food for a few hours. At this point, our bodies start to break down glycogen, which is stored in our liver and muscles, to use as energy. As glycogen levels decrease, our bodies start to burn fat instead. This is why fasting is often associated with weight loss. When we fast, our bodies tap into fat stores to provide energy. As we continue to fast, our bodies enter a state of ketosis, which is a metabolic process that occurs when the body doesn't have enough glucose for energy and starts to burn fat instead. This can have several health benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and increased fat loss. Intermittent fasting is one of the most popular types of fasting. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. There are different ways to do intermittent fasting, such as the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Another popular method is the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories to 500 to 600 for 2 non-consecutive days. The benefits of fasting go beyond weight loss. Studies have shown that it can have positive effects on various health markers. For example, fasting can lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. It can also lower inflammation, which is linked to many chronic diseases. Fasting can also improve brain function. When we fast, our bodies produce ketones, which can provide an alternative energy source for the brain. This has been shown to improve cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. However, fasting isn't suitable for everyone. People who have certain medical conditions, such as diabetes or low blood pressure, should talk to their doctor before attempting to fast. Additionally, fasting for too long can lead to nutrient deficiencies and other health problems, so it's important to approach fasting in a safe and healthy way. Fasting can have several health benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and reduced inflammation. Intermittent fasting is a popular way to incorporate fasting into your lifestyle. However, it's important to approach fasting in a safe and healthy way, and to talk to your doctor before attempting to fast. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.